Hey everyone, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Yes, another beauty haul video. I know I've been doing a lot of beauty haul videos lately. I just been shopping a lot lately. I don't know why, but initially I wanted to do a video with all the things that I got, but then I thought it would be a very long video, so I decided I'm going to separate my online shopping and my actual store shopping. So yeah, that's why we are having this video again. And this time it's going to be a Japanese makeup haul video. Yeah, because I think when was my last Japanese makeup haul? I think it was last year. Yeah, and I bought a lot of products now actually. Some of it are for friends and some of it are for myself. Yeah, so let's start with this lipsticks, you guys. This one is a Stay On Balm Rouge from the brand called Can Make. Yes, and this one is pretty similar with the Revlon Balm Stain. Yeah, but a fraction of the cost, because this one cost only 580 yen and the Revlon one cost 1000 yen. So this is a little cheaper but still the same. And I got 5 colors. I don't know, I forgot what are the colors of this one, but I promise that this is so good. Then I also pick up another eyebrow mascara. This is my favorite one from Zizan and it's very affordable. This one costs only 480 yen. My first favorite one was the one from Heavy Rotation, but that one is 900 yen. So this one is 480 yen. So, and this one really made my brow hair stay intact the entire day. So yeah, if you happen to see this one, you need to try this one. I totally recommend this eyebrow mascara from Zizan, and I'm the shade light brown. And also I got a new eyelash curler from Can Make. This is the wide fit one. They have 2 variations on this one, the regular one and the wide. I like the wide one because of my eye shape. I like this particular eyelash curler because it doesn't pinch my, my hoodie eyes here, and it's very effective in curling my very sparse lashes. I also have the one from Shiseido Maquillage, but I don't know where that is, and it's the maquillage one was around 900 yen, but this one costs only 600 yen. And this is my favorite regular eyelash curler from Can Make. Then I also bought 2 of my favorite eyelash glue from DUP. I got the one in clear and black because sometimes I want to use the black one and sometimes I want to use the clear one. And this is the most amazing eyelash glue, you guys. You need to try this one, guys. This is much cheaper compared to the Dollar Wink one. The Dollar Wink one costs 1,200 yen and this one only costs 900 yen. And it really makes your false eyelashes the entire day. Even if you cry, yeah, your false eyelashes will stay intact. Yes. Then I also got this eyelash glue from Koji. Yes, this is in black. This is one of my favorite eyelash glue too, and this one is very affordable. I like the black in particular. I don't know, for some reason, but this one performs better compared to their clear one. I don't know, I think the formula is different, but this is my favorite one aside from that DUP, because this is so affordable. This only costs 200 yen. Yeah, I totally recommend it if you are on a budget and wanted to have a heavy duty eyelash glue. You better check this one. You need to try this one from Koji. Make sure to take the black one, guys. So I got 4 of these since it's my favorite and it's very affordable. Then I also got a new eyeliner from Fascio. I love Fascio because it's very waterproof and it's very black. They have a new packaging. Before they have this one in white, and this time they have it in black. And I got 2 of this and I have, of course, black. yeah, I totally recommend this, and this one only costs 900 yen. I also got an eyebrow pencil from Shiseido Integrate, and I always get the gray one, but this time I don't know for what reason that I got the dark brown one. And this one, guys, only costs 480 yen. Then I also pick up a blush from Zizan. You know me, I always use my Zizan blush because it's very pigmented and it's very affordable. This time I'm buying the ones that are very affordable from the drugstore, unlike from my other Japanese makeup haul video. That one is a little expensive from the drugstore, but this time I bought a lot that are very affordable, and this one is from Zizan, and this one is their natural matte, and I got the shade 101, which is a peachy one, and this only costs 400 yen. Yeah. Then I also got two compact foundation from the same company, Zizan. When I tried this at the store, I did not expect it that it would feel so silky, guys, because this is so affordable. This is only 600 yen. Yeah, and it has SPF of 23. Come on. We need SPF, you know? Especially that it's going to be summer soon. We need an extra dose of SPF. And actually this one is a powder foundation, and I got the shade Light Ochre, and I do believe that they have 5 or 4 shades available for this one. So this one from Zizan. Then I also got another foundation from Zizan as well. This one is a little pricier. I think this is 680 yen, but this one has a higher SPF content. It has an SPF 35 PA++, and this is their Ultra Cover UV foundation too, and this one feels so silky as well. I was surprised with the Zizan products. This is my first time using powders from Zizan. I always buy from Canmake and Pore Potty, but I'm so excited to try this one, guys. Then I also got this face powder from Zizan. This is just a face powder, and I got the yellow one. I wanted to try using this under my under eye area. Yeah, this one looks a little similar to the banana powders. It's a yellow powder, so this one is very affordable. It's only 500 yen, I guess. And the refill one, they also sell refill ones which only cost 300 yen. That is so exciting. I am so excited to buy another refill of this one. So if I go back to the store, probably I will get a refill for this one because this feels so silky smooth as well. Then I also got this liquid foundation from Shiseido Integrate Crazy, and I have the color Ochre 00. I think they only have 4 shade variations on this one. That is so sad. I think it was 00, 10, 20, and 30. Yeah, I know it sucks, right? This one I already tried before, but that one was their old packaging, and I believe that they also changed their formula with this one. And a lot of reviews that I see online, they say that this one is comparable to the Chanel Aqua Lumiere. I don't know, but I tried this. Yeah, it feels so light to the skin actually, but I don't know with this new formula if it feels a little better. And yeah, because the one that I had before really feels so good, and it's so perfect for the hot weather, you guys. And this one costs around 1,300 yen. It's a little pricey, I know, and this one only has a 3 ml liquid inside. And I also got me 2 sunblocks from BeYouTyAndBeyond, and this one is their UV Aqua Rich Whitening Essence. Whitening, yeah, but actually this doesn't white your skin. I don't know why they include whitening in this one, because this doesn't white my skin. What I really like with Japanese sunblocks is that they have the highest SPF content. They usually have SPF 50 PA+++++. Yeah, a very high dosage of SPF. By the way, this one costs around 780 yen without tax. Yeah, without tax. Then I also bought another hand cream. Yeah, this one is from Mentolatum Handville. Yeah, it has vitamin A and the rest is history. I cannot read kanji. But I like this one in particular because this doesn't have any smell and it feels so good. It doesn't leave a greasy feeling on your hands. So yeah, this one costs around 500 yen. Then I also picked this one from Nivea. It's their Cream Care Lip Balm. And the one that I got is the unscented one. They have two variations for this one. They have the honey flavored one too. And yeah, to be safe, I just picked up the unscented one. And this one is only, actually they have it on sale. Before this cost, during the winter, it cost 500 yen. But now it's only 390 yen. What a deal. And I also got me another under eye mask because I felt like the winter was really drying my under eye areas. I don't know why, but only this area here that is so freaking dry. The rest is just so oily, so I need a under eye area mask, face mask. So this one is from Claudia Johnson. Yeah, and it has 5 set of packs inside this. And how much is this? I think this one is 500 yen. Then I also got 3 foundations from Revlon. It's the Revlon Color Stay, and I got what's this? I got 3 shades, and I got the lightest shade, which is buff 150 buff, and the darkest shade, which is the Toast 370 Toast. So I got 2 from the oily skin type, and I only got 1 for the dry skin type. Actually, I saved a lot when I bought this one. Actually, this one turned out to be free because I had a very big point on my point card. So yeah, pretty good deal, right? And last but not least, of course, I don't skip lashes. I know I have a ton of lashes, but every time I see beautiful lashes, new lashes that I haven't tried, I need to try it. Oh my gosh, I think I have a problem. I don't know, guys, but yeah, I'm just so false eyelashes addict. But this one is just so gorgeous. You just cannot leave this one out, guys. It's just so beautiful. And this one is from, what brand is this one? I don't know. This is called the Amazing Eyes, and it's the number 101 natural black, and it's made in China. Yeah, everything nowadays are made in China, and it's produced by June Kumori. So I guess that's all it from the drugstore, and I do hope that you've enjoyed this video, guys. And if you want me to do a review of some of the products that I have on this video, just feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. And also, if you already tried some of the products that I have on this video, just leave it in the comment section below as well, because I love to hear what are your thoughts of these products. If you like it or you do not like it, yeah, I just want to know. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching this one. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you on my next one, guys. Love you all.